Hello students, I'm going to make this video short and sweet. I just want to quickly go over the directions for this assignment. We're studying the effects of the Industrial Revolution, so I have a list of short-term effects and long-term effects for you to read through. As you read through them, you're going to categorize them as either positive for the working class or negative for the working class. The working class are those who labored in factories and mines during the Industrial Revolution. So to pull this as a connection with the child labor video that you watched before break, those child laborers were members of the working class. So again, as you read through these, you can copy and paste them and put them in the column either positive or negative for the working class. We are going to be going over this tomorrow in our Google Meet, so I want your draft responses ready to be able to share as we go over it tomorrow. You'll have it pulled up on your screen so that when I call on you, you can share an answer. And then we'll go over all the correct answers and their explanations tomorrow in our Google Meet. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.